Okay, we're talking about the Turbo BFS Financial Accounting Chapter 11 Partnership Revaluation of Asset. So for the revaluation of assets, we need to know when we will have the revaluation of asset. The first one is when we admit a new partners or retirement of old partners, or you have the change of the profit and loss share account, and the last one is your partnership is being taken over by others. Okay, so why do we have the revaluation? You need to know the purpose of the revaluation. The purpose is to reflect the true value of underlying asset in the partnership so as to ascertain the share of unrecorded asset value among the partners. So for the purpose, you need to know to reflect the true value of underlying asset. In Chinese, that's to 反映呢一個 asset 嘅真實價值。So as to ascertain the share of the unrecorded asset value among the partners， 即係話你要將呢一啲嘅反映出嚟嘅價值，幫喺呢個 partners 利用 profit and loss sharing ratio 去分翻俾每一個 partners。OK， therefore it will related to the capital account and also the profit and loss sharing ratio in the accounting treatment. So how to do it? Normally we will open a revaluation account. So for the revaluation account, it work like this. We work it through the example number 1. What's example number 1? So we turn off the work example number 1. We have two persons, Susan and Polly. Susan and Polly, and they are sharing the profit 3 to 1, and they change to the old one, change to the new one. New one is 3 to 2. Okay, and here is some revaluation for the asset. Let's see. NCA. Let's take a look. For the office building, undervalued by 120,000. Undervalued, therefore you need to increase the value, right? And then next one, the motor vehicles. We need to, this is overvalued, that means for the value we need to decrease it. And the last one is the furniture and fitting. Overvalued, that means we need to decrease the value by 2,000. Okay, and also one more point related to the allowance for double debts. There is increase in allowance for double debt. The amount should be 300. Okay, under this situation, we have to prepare the revaluation account. So for the revaluation account, is work like this. Revaluation account, if, okay, let's tell it, if the asset value increase, just like the office equipment, we recognize the change Okay, very important. Recognize the change. Only the changes. And then because for the non-current asset, this one is the normal balance is debit. Therefore, we'll debit the, if it increase, debit the debit balance. So for these cases, for the office building, we will debit the office building and then credit the revaluation account. Okay, under the situation is like this. And next, therefore, for the revaluation account here, we will credit the office building. So remember, for this one, represent asset value increase. Okay, of course it's the change. Remember, it's the change. So office building 12000, and then for the motor vehicle reverse. This one is asset value decrease. Of course, recognize the change. Okay, motor vehicles. And then for the furniture also, and at last, increase in allowance for double debts, also asset value decrease because the account receivable decrease 300. Okay, and at last, Ch.11. Okay, we share with the old ratio. Okay, and then we all three items we have recognized, but we share by the old profit and loss share ratio or new one. Okay, remember, we share by the old one. Okay, because this is the benefit, so we say the profit or loss share by the old one, not by the new one. Okay, share by the old profit and loss ratio. Therefore, the changes should be 120,000 minus 45,000 minus 2,000 and then minus 300. So 72700 should be shared by the Susan and Bolly divided by 4. Each one proportion is 18175 and the other one should be times 3. 54525. Okay, capital shared by the capital. This one should be Susan, this one should be Body. Okay, and this should be gain or loss. This one should be a gain. Okay, gain on revaluation. And for the capital account, here, Susan and Polly, normally their balance brought down. The balance brought down for Susan is 266700 and for Polly is 83200. Debit revaluation, credit the capital. So this should be revaluation and this should be gain. Okay. And then write 54525 and at last the balance carry down. Use the calculator, should be for Susan is 321 225. 321 225, and for body should be 101375. Okay, this one is the work example number 1. So to recap yourself, you need to prepare the revaluation account and only record the changes. Okay, record the changes. For the changes, if it is increase, record on credit side. If it is decrease, record on the debit side, and share the gain or loss on the revaluation by the old profit and loss sharing ratio. This is the main theme here.